Hi everyone, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, we're going to explore this food hack that I found on TikTok called the Peanut Butter Challenge. Let's get to it. Okay, so here's the premise of this peanut butter challenge. Basically, it's a food hack for getting easier access to those leftover bits of peanut butter that are in a jar. We've all been there, right? You open up the jar, you're kind of having to scrape all that peanut butter around. You get peanut butter on your hand, on the utensil that you're using. So this food hack is supposed to make that a lot easier. Basically what you do is you take a jar of peanut butter that's mostly empty and you just put it down on the counter and spin the heck out of it. And you just keep spinning it. So there's a couple different things that are gonna happen. At first, when you're spinning it, it's gonna be a little difficult and it's probably gonna kind of fly all over the place. It's because most of the peanut butter is at the bottom of the jar. As that peanut butter starts to move towards the top of the jar, it gets a little bit easier to spin. You just keep spinning that until you get to the point where all of the peanut butter has moved to the top of the jar. And then when you open up the jar, it's gonna almost look like that jar of peanut butter is completely full because the peanut butter has moved from the bottom of the jar to the top. And this works great, it actually does work, but there are a couple things to keep in mind. The first thing that you need to keep in mind is it works best with peanut butter that has a more even consistency. So I did this with a jar of natural peanut butter. And by natural, I mean the kind of peanut butter that you have to mix yourself. You know, it has the oil on the top and you mix it yourself, getting the oil everywhere and that kind of thing. So I used natural peanut butter. And the reason I did that is I wanted to show you, because it's natural peanut butter and it's not an even consistency, it doesn't quite all move to the top and stay all nice and uniform. Now, if you're using a more, consistent peanut butter like Jif or Skippy or any of those types of peanut butters, those peanut butters, because they are an even consistency, actually work a lot better for this type of food hack. So if you have those on hand, or just anything that, you're not mixing yourself. If you're mixing the peanut butter yourself, it's not going to work as well. So that's just something to consider. You want a peanut butter that has an even consistency. But if you do that, it works out just fine. So give it a try and let me know what you think. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If there's something that you want to see, hey, drop a comment below. And if you'd like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week, so please subscribe.